Have you ever come across a situation where you had an excellent website to share with your students, but its URL address was so long that it was nearly impossible for the kids to get it right? Numerous characters, they're missing out on a dot or a hyphen, etc. So the way I circumvent this problem is by going to this website called bitly.com. It's a free login with Google, and it brings you to this page. So the website I want my kids to learn from is cities try to predict hotspots for COVID-19. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the URL from the address bar and go to create link and paste it here. So lots of characters, numbers and hyphens, etc. are now gone. And you see now you have a website which is much simpler looking. Now that's not the end of it. See all of these characters that are behind the slash, even those could be modified. So I'm going to come up with, let's say, COVID spread and see if it would let me customize it. Let's see what it says. And it says that this customization is not available, which means this website has been taken. Let me try and put an underscore and try again. There you go. So COVID underscore spread. This seems to be a unique link which is available to me. We will cross this one out. Now, if you look on the left, this is the long URL of the website that you shortened. You can go ahead and copy and go to a new window, type that shortened URL, and it will bring you to that same website. So instead of sharing the long URL address with your kids, what you can just do is type out or write down go.nature.com/COVID underscore spread. Much easier looking English words, common words, and hopefully there would be less spelling mistakes in an effort to copy this down. I hope you will find this video useful and that you would use it.